Alright, so last time we went out, I had that sinking feeling, and sure enough, this is why. From dragging the kayak all over the place, it got thin right here, and I started taking water on here, and actually almost sunk the kayak out at Lele. We're going to need to fix this. Did a little bit of research on YouTube, and basically you're going to need a heat gun or a soldering iron, something to bring the plastic up to about 575 degrees. I called up Feel Free, and this is a polyethylene, or they suggest to mold it with polyethylene. If you're looking at the HDPE buckets, according to the information I saw, you should not take a higher density plastic and try and mold it to a lower density plastic. Now, how do you really know? I did this experiment here where I took part of this trailer here, and this trailer was made of an old kayak. I knew this from the previous owner. So I cut some of this plastic up, hoping it's the same polyethylene, low density that this is. And I heated that up to about 600 degrees, and they bonded together. Nice, solid, like one piece now, green and the brown. So we're going to use pieces of the trailer, and we're going to melt it in here until we've got something solid. And then maybe we'll actually put some reinforcement around here, as well as the other end that always hits the lava. Alright, let's try it. Smear that. It's just going to help fill in a little bit. Okay, this first layer's cooled down a little bit. You can see it's now a lot harder. Yeah, it really does bond. But I want a little more here. We lost. It sank in a little bit here. So I still want to reinforce it some more. We're going to do that with this piece here and see what we can do to stick that on. So the base repair looks really good. Now let's add some reinforcement in this piece right here. I'm going to put this pretty much like here, so that when this gets dragged, it hits this piece instead of this underlying thin plastic. So that's the top. So, I think that's what we're looking for. It's been plugged. Now it's reinforced. It's higher than this level. Goes up to here. And now we need to sand it. We've got a piece of 80 grit here. And our last part is just to sand some of this. You can see how it's a little clumpy here. I could cut this or grind it. I think I could probably smooth it down well enough with this 80 grit. Black sand gets trapped everywhere. All right. No vibration. We're going to take some precautions and add some permanent buoyancy in the form of these noodles. See this on YouTube a lot. It's a good idea. These compartments on the kayaks, they can leak from here as well. Mine leaks a little bit here when I'm splashing water in to clean up the fish, anything. So there's always going to be a little water in the kayak. In this model, I think. More noodles. And then probably Wow. I just seal this hatch. This isn't good storage. Internal storage on a kayak, unless it's fishing poles, doesn't make sense to me. Get a dry bag, put it on top. Done. Alright, there's some buoyancy.